Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good night, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is common grammatical error in English. The presentation start with my friends, Fariskawati Munarfa. It's your turn to presentation.
Okay, thanks for the attention. My name is Fariskawati Munarfa, so I will present about the common grammatical error in English. What is a grammatical error? A grammatical error is a term used in the prescriptive grammar to describe an instance of faulty, unconventional, or controversial usage, such as misplaced modifier or an inappropriate verb tense. Also called a usage error. Compare grammatical error with correct tense. And the next example and observation. In correct English, G.T. Becker says the expression grammatical error sounds and is in a sense paradoxical for the reason that a form cannot be grammatical and erroneous at the same time. One would not say musical discord because of the apparent contradiction of terms. The from grammatical error should be avoided and error in construction or error in English at be used in its state. Of course, one should never say good grammar or bad grammar. General on grammatical errors. If descriptive belief that any linguistic evidence validate usage, then we must not be descriptive. Hardly anyone wants to be a non-judgmental collector of evidence. It's far more interesting and valuable to assemble the evidence and then to draw conclusions from it. Judgment rulings to the extent that they misses one such reasoning as one could only wish it because they want to use language effectively. Say Barn Gardner in his New York Times article, with language rules to fault. Grammar and use. Use is a concept that embraces many aspects of an attitude toward language. Grammar is certainly only a small part of what goes to make up use. Though some people use one term for the others, as when they label what is really a controversial point of use, a grammatical error, according to Merriam-Webster College Dictionary. And the next, so it's for me.
Okay. Thanks for the presentation, Rizka, and I take the turn again. And the next presentation will be my friends Salwa Alamri. It's your turn to presentation.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I wanna explain about there are some example about common grammar mistake. No one and anyone. Incorrect. At the party I didn't meet no one. Correct. At the party I didn't meet anyone. Rule. The sentence becomes a double negative with the inclusion of what didn't and nobody. Example, I don't talk to anyone in the evening. I like no one in their family. Themselves and themselves. Incorrect. They organize the party themselves. Correct. They organize the party themselves. Rule. The word themselves is not in a dictionary. Themselves is a correct word to use. Example, they will do their work themselves. They do the arrangement themselves. Next. Lose and lost. Incorrect. I don't want to lose the job. Correct. I don't want to lose the job. Rule. Lost not firmly or tightly fixed in place. Lose be deprived of or keys to have or retain something. Example, the lid of the container is lost. I don't want to lose her. Weather and weather. Incorrect. If the weather is good, we can go for a walk. Correct. If the weather is good, we can go for a walk. Rule. Weather. The state of the atmosphere at a particular place. Whether expressing a doubt or choice between alternative. Example, the forecast is for brighter weather after days of rain. He seemed undecided whether to go or stay.
Okay, thank you, Salwa. And the presentation will be continue. Emmy, slide selanjutnya. Ini ya. Ini kan. Present perfect continuous tense. Incorrect. I am waiting for you in the office for the last 2 hours. Correct. I have been waiting for you in the office for the last 2 hours. Rule. Use present perfect continuous tense when an action began in the past and it is still going on at the time of speaking. Generally, it is used with adverbs of time. For signs, how long. Examples, how long have you been working as a trainer? Next. Slide. Phrasal verb, incorrect. Smith came across with a bigger. Correct. Smith came across a bigger. Rule, came across is a phrasal verb which means happen to see or spot. So use of it in ancestry here. Example, I came across my aunt. Next. Hard or hardly. Incorrect. It is a hardly job. Correct. It is a hard job. Rule. Hardly means rarely. Hard means difficult or tough. Example, he hardly gets up early. I hardly knew any answer. The question is really hard. Next ini selanjutnya siapa? Wajah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Kita. Beta lewat satu slide BTW. Oh iyo, Saga sorry. Mau ulang. Next. And the next presentation continue by my friends Fitri and Usain. It's your turn to presentation. Oke, dari sini atau next slide? Dari sini. Further and further. Incorrect. We will drive no further tonight. Correct. We will drive no further tonight. Rule. Further refers to physical distance. Further refers to moreover, in addition to a greater extent. Example, we had to walk farther than the map indicates. New Delhi is farther from Mumbai than from Noida. We need to discuss this further. Next. Deadly, deadly. Incorrect. A bee sting can be deadly. Correct. A bee sting can be deadly. Rule, deadly, causing or able to cause death. Deadly, resembling or suggestive of death. Example, it is a deadly weapon. His face was deadly pale. Next.
BTW apa? Soalnya
Ken,
tinggal sisa 2.
berarti yang kita terakhir. Atau ini nggak mau lanjut?
Ini kan?
Iya, udah semua. Soalnya tinggal 2.
Oke.
Okay, thanks for the presentation, Fitri. And the presentation will continue by my friends, Mita. It's your turn to presentation.
Okay, thank you. Next, can May. Incorrect. In May drive because I passed the driving test. Correct. I can drive because I passed the driving test. Rule. Can is used to express ability. May is used for expressing possibility. Example, I can talk to her as she is my friend. It may rain tomorrow. Next. Bring take. Incorrect. He will bring the book from his friend. Correct. He will take the book from his friend. Rule. Bring, take or go with someone or something to a place. Take, lay hold of something with one's hand. Reach for and hold. Example, in an emergency, my son could drive up and bring us home. He leaned forward to take her hand.
Okay, finally we get to the last session in this presentation. Let's close this presentation by saying alhamdulillahirobbilalamin as the moderator. Thanks for our participant. May what we had conditions. One more time I say welcome. If in calling this event I made mistakes or offense, someone here please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.